In today's video, I'll show you how to update Calendly time zone. This is one of those settings that really matters, because your available hours only make sense once Calendly knows which time zone they're in. Get it wrong, and people end up booking you at 3 in the morning. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. Your time zone lives with your hours, over in the availability section, so that's where we're heading. Here we are on the availability page. You can see my schedule at the top, and underneath it my weekly hours, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Now scroll right down to the bottom of those hours, and there it is. That little link is your time zone, and right now mine is set to Pacific time. So Calendly currently thinks my 9 to 5 is 9 to 5 on the West Coast. Let's say I've just moved across the country to New York. I'll click on that time zone. Straight away, Calendly opens up a search box with a full list of time zones underneath it. You could scroll through the whole list, but it's much faster to just start typing. I'll type in Eastern and watch how the list instantly narrows down to just the matches. There's Eastern time for US and Canada under the US grouping, and Eastern European time down under Europe. I want the first one. And that's it. It's saved automatically. No save button to hunt for. My time zone now reads Eastern time, and those same 9 to 5 hours are now 9 to 5 in New York instead of California. Now here's something really important that catches people out. This time zone belongs to this schedule, not to your whole account. So if you've got other schedules set up, each one carries its own time zone, and you'd want to update those separately. And one last thing worth knowing, your invitees never have to work any of this out. When someone opens your booking page, Calendly automatically detects their time zone and shows your slots in their local time. So this setting is really just about you. So that's it. Head to Availability, scroll to the bottom of your hours, click your time zone, type the one you want, and pick it from the list. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.